ride home, street lights blur. You hum that tune, I know every word. You tap on the dash in a crooked rhythm. I laugh, say you're rushing to prove again. You say, I just wanna feel something hit me, like a truth that you don't have to prove, my friend. Your head on the window, now you're rolling by slow. Old scars in your voice when you sing that note. I catch every crack, every break, every breath, like I'm tracing a map that I won't forget. This is my song, but it sounds like yours. Same wild day, in a different form. Every broken piece, finding where it belongs. Your heart beats loud inside my song, inside my soul, yeah, inside my song. We sit at the bar with the cheap red curtain, open mic list, and your hands still shaking. You say, who am I to be up there hurting in a room full of strangers pretending they're vacant? I say, they've all got a verse they're hiding, they've all lost a name, been struck by lightning. You step to the stage, clear your throat, close your eyes. The room falls away when you start that line. This is my song, but it sounds like yours. Same wild day, in a different form. Every broken piece, finding where it belongs. Your heart beats loud inside my soul, inside my soul. Sing along, inside my soul. We all hum the same low tune, different words but the same old wound. Think you're alone in the echo you keep, but your pain got a cousin in the back row seat. I got verses you ain't ever read, you got secrets living in your chest. When you sing, it's like you're reading mine. Every sorrow suddenly aligned. So when your voice shakes, let it shake. When your hands break, let them break. Every fracture makes a place for the light to stay. This is my song, but it sounds like yours. Same wild day, in a different form. Every broken piece, finding where it belongs. Your heart beats loud inside my song. Keep beating inside my slow under tired apartment windows, trading old lines that we never let go. You say one day, when my hair's all gray, will these melodies remember my name? I say you're in the chorus of 1,000 throats, in the quiet of the kitchen, in the late night notes. Every kid with a pen, every drum in their hands, got a little of you in their heartbeat plans. Hey! This is my song, but it sounds like yours. Same wild day, in a different form. Every broken piece, finding where it belongs. Your heart beats loud inside my song, inside my soul. Sing along, inside my song. So if you ever feel small in the loud, loud crowd, close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out. Hear that soft, steady pulse in your chest, that's the chorus we all share in the end. My song, your song, same drum all along. One shared heartbeat in every song.